Hello, my friend. Today I'm going to tell you about CultureHustle. I'm a big fan of CultureHustle products, so I will definitely be doing more videos in the future. Be on the lookout for my review of the world's pinkest pink. But today I want to show you the world's mirroriest mirror. This bottle may be small, but a little goes a long, long way. Today we won't be doing such a large space, although that does sound like a fun experiment. Maybe for a future video, but today I've got a few things to paint. I have a tiny white canvas, a tiny black frame, and a Magic the Gathering card my husband said that was alright to paint. So I've got our tiny bottle. Actually, we gotta shake it first. It looks like literally liquid silver, like quicksilver. Ooh, that's a little bit more than I wanted. It's very viscous. I'd say very close to water. Cap back on here. So cool, my plate kind of looks like a mirror. Okay, what should we paint first? Let's do the canvas. Now this little bottle should be enough to do an 8 by 8 foot place. So we really shouldn't need that much for what we're doing today. And I don't know if it will need 2 coats, so that's something to look into. It is actually very fragrant. Not quite a spray paint smell, but very, very close. So as soon as I finish this section of strokes, I'm gonna get a mask. Got my fancy mask. Whew. I hope you can still understand me and hear me with this mask. Still adjusting it, it's very uncomfortable. It's not like the ones that we wear out and about now. Okay. So far it's very silvery. I can only see maybe a little bit of a reflection, but the canvas is also very textured. So maybe this isn't the best thing to paint. It's still wet. This side's gonna have to wait. I'll let that dry for a second. The brush looks cool. Alright, let's do the mirror. Let's go look. Alright, I'm going to start this in real time, but I would like to speed up the process. for the video. Look at that. Yeah, I'd say it's much better on a smooth surface. I'm going to speed this up. So I just gotta say, you know, while I'm painting this, it's sort of like it's self-leveling. You can't, like I did straight strokes here and then that way, and you can't really see it. It's like they perfectly blended in together. I did a video last week where I painted the same frame but with a varnish, and I didn't get this kind of result. I had to specifically angle my brush strokes, so that's just amazing. It does say on the website that this is structurally on a microscopic level very, very different from any other kind of paint. So it's just amazing to see just how different it really is. While I was in hyperlapse, I was able to start a second coat for this. I think that's still wet. So I'm gonna let these dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna do that inside edge, and then we'll start on the magic card. But you can see how we did something that was white and we did something that was black, and you cannot tell like that there's any difference underneath. It looks like it's all the same exact thing all the way through. Just magical. Okay, while those finish drying, we'll work on this magic card. I'm using a magic card because it's got a lot of different colors, and it's also a smooth texture but a different kind of texture. And also I think it'll be really cool to have a little mirror shaped card with magic on the back. Okay, so here I go. Okay, it seems to... I think I can still see the picture underneath. We'll have to see what it looks like full coat. I think it's great. I can't see the picture anymore. So this can probably cover up any color, anything pre-existing on the item. This is really cool. I think I might do that experiment really soon. I wonder what I could paint that is that big. Like, where am I going to find a section of wall that someone's just going to let me paint like that? Definitely something to look into. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments below. Okay. Very nice. I think I'm going to let it dry and then do the coat going the other way. These are so cool. Okay, so this is dry and it's very reflective, but I can't actually see my reflection in it, and that could be because of the texture to the canvas. This will make a nice backdrop for some cool painting I could do on it. I can almost see my reflection in the edges. It's so cool, definitely chrome-like. So shiny, so sleek. Oh man, I got fingerprints all over it. Oh, my glove must have done that. I'll have to put another coat on it and then not touch it till, I don't know, I don't have gloves on at least. I don't think I can see the picture. There might be some color that I can see in the grains there, some red. Oh, for one coat, I think that's pretty good. So, even though it's the world's mirroriest mirror, I can't see my face from that far, but my gloves are pretty visible. Can you see that in the footage? Yeah, so I like it. I'm gonna have to think of something really cool to use it on. I'm gonna do a little bit of a hyperlapse while I redo the coat of this other frame here, and then I think we'll be done. So I guess I forgot to actually push the start button on the hyperlapse, but what I just did was a coat along the top here, and then I did a horizontal stripe, motion over the grains on the card to see if that covers them up. And then as soon as they are dry, I'm going to put the frame back together, and we'll wrap things up. Okay, so I have painted my white canvas, my black frame, and I put inside the black frame the magic card that I painted. So, one final reflection test. I can see my face. I can see the white of my eyes. That's really cool. Oh man. Not so much with the canvas. I can see the color of my shirt, and I can see my fingers. So, if you want to paint to have a reflection, you don't want to have anything that's textured. I also recommend using a brush that you might not want to keep, because this one has turned my whole brush silver. I'm hoping that with the proper soap, I'll be able to rectify that, because that's one of my favorite brushes. And also be sure that you wear a mask, and maybe have a fan or an open window to help ventilate a little bit. This smell is not super strong, it's not overbearing, but just in case it's unsafe, we want to keep everybody safe. That's all for today. But if you enjoyed this video, you can let me know by hitting that like button, and feel free to subscribe to the channel for more art-tastic reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching. Have a magical day.